Day 4. Healing past wounds and releasing burdens. Today, we will focus on healing and letting go of past burdens. Find a comfortable position, and as you lie down, close your eyes. Allow your body to relax, feeling supported by the surface beneath you. Let your breath be soft and gentle. Bring your awareness to any parts of your body where you feel pain or discomfort. These may be areas where you hold emotional or mental burdens. Breathe into these areas, offering them kindness and healing with each exhale. With every inhale, imagine drawing in healing energy. With each exhale, release old patterns, memories, or emotions that no longer serve you. You are creating space for healing. Now, imagine yourself at the start of a bridge. This bridge represents your journey from the past to the present. As you step onto the bridge, feel yourself leaving behind any old wounds or burdens. Each step takes you closer to healing, closer to peace. As you reach the other side, in a peace of light and equanimity, where you are free and whole. Sankalpa. Repeat your Sankalpa for healing and rejuvenation. I am healed and whole, or I am free from the past. Let these words anchor you in your new, healed state. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Become aware of your body. Gently move your toes and fingers. Interlock your hands above your head and give a good stretch. When you are ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of healing with you.